so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another wig review. For those of you that are wondering, no, this video is not sponsored. This unit, I walked directly into my beauty supply store, picked her up all on my own. So if you're interested in all the details, just keep on watching. So this unit, you guys, is by Red Carpet Premier. She's a lace front wig. Yes, that means synthetic lace front. She's the Future RCP797 in the style B, and she does come in 24 inches. The shade that I'm wearing right now is the creamy blonde, although if you take a look at the stock card, you'll see she comes in this beautiful red, which I did try on as well. Stunning. She comes in a little bit more of a darker hue, and she comes in about 6 different shades, you guys. If you can see the stock card, this is the one that I'm wearing right here. She does look a lot more realistic, because you know what your girl did, we manipulated this unit just a little bit. Let's go ahead and get into wig construction. This unit does come with 2 combs directly in the front. She does also come with another comb in the back and an adjustable strap. As far as wig construction, this unit is, I'm going to say, more so medium head friendly, because I did have to take her down and adjust it down to maybe the 2nd notch just to keep her from slipping. As of right now, I do have on a nude wig dome cap. It's going to be better than a nylon cap, so I don't really feel like it's pulling my hair out. And all I've done is really put her on. Like, I don't even have the combs adjusted down. I just have her adjusted down tight enough in the back to where she's not slipping and sliding. So definitely great with wig construction. Let's go ahead and talk about this lace. You guys, this is a lace front, but can you see how she melts into my scalp? And as you already saw, she is definitely not one of those units that I want to glue down, because I'm going to want to keep her for a little bit. So I don't usually sleep in my units. I don't usually glue them down, although if that's your thing, I would just mention don't cut the lace as closely as I did to the hairline. You want to leave a little bit more of the lace out if you're going to glue her down, so you're not putting the glue on your hairline. But you can see she melts into my scalp beautifully. I mean, this one is really, really nice. And I wore her all weekend at Fame Beauty Expo, and you guys were asking, oh my God, what unit are you wearing? So here she is. She retailed for $74.99, although they did have a 50% off sale. I do apologize. The store that I purchased her from is not web savvy. So I'm going to leave in the description box a link to some of my favorite beauty supplies that you can order this unit from online. She does come in 24 inches, so I'm just going to stand up really quick. You'll see that she does come below my boob. And if I turn around, she is, yep, she is right above my tailbone. So she's giving you a nice V down to the back, so you can have that on-trend look of extremely long yet very wearable. Now, as for me, I think this unit is soft enough that she can become your summer everyday hair. Can we just go ahead and talk about the coloring on this unit? This one is in the creamy blonde. I don't think I've had a unit in a creamy blonde for quite a while, but she has so much dimension. Beautifully done. It comes in this amazing, almost wet tassel beachy wave. So if you take a look underneath where I combed out, if you see how you have all this dimension right here, maybe the camera's giving you that, and you see how it kind of looks a little bit wet. As you comb her out, she's giving you just enough volume, but she still keeps that untamed look, if you know what I'm saying. Very wearable, very realistic. She doesn't come off plasticky. I didn't have to add any hairspray to her or dry shampoo to tone down the coloring, which is exactly what I thought I was going to have to do, but luckily I did not, because of course in the beauty supply store that I was in, they didn't have this unit in the blonde for me to try on, although you will probably see her in the red and maybe even the black. So just keep that in mind if you're going into beauty supply store. But this color, I am glad that I took a gamble and brought her home. Really the only manipulation that I had to do, if you take a look here at the stock card, you will see that this unit is not rooted as you see me wearing it. I will leave in the description box a detailed video on how I tint the root on my unit, but just as a quick tutorial, I use this Magic Root Cover Up by L'Oreal. She's a temporary gray concealer spray. The shade that I purchased was dark brown, so I get that beautiful ombre. I did also use a little bit of concealer underneath the unit and painted it really, really heavy to make sure that the scalp pops out. Just use whatever concealer you would use on your face underneath the unit so you're not making the scalp start to look messy. And also I use a flesh tone colored dome cap. Using a flesh tone dome cap versus a stocking cap has been very instrumental in me, one, not making my hair too dry underneath because I am using units for protective styles, and it also gives the scalp more of a realistic appearance without too manipulation on the unit. And I just keep looking at her on camera. I am really, really obsessed with this unit, but if I had to give any cons on the unit, I do wish that the combs were not right here. I typically like my combs to be a little bit offset because I think my hair is a little bit thicker over on the side, and I think that would give me a little bit more hold. But honestly, because I did adjust down the adjustable strap to maybe the second setting, you'll see that I have to kind of pull to release her. But that's where the lace comes into importance. And as the wind blows, because of the way that the lace is, you're really not noticing that it is lace. But I did just just gradually spray a little bit of the root spray around the hairline as well, just to make it look even more so realistic. In conclusion, I'm obsessed with this unit. I will be purchasing another one just to have on standby. I'm definitely going to purchase her in the red. So now it's time for you guys to comment down below. What are you thinking of B? I mean, are you needing to have her in your summer arsenal for 2018? Comment down below. For those of you that are new to my channel that I met in LA, hi! Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm hoping that you will find the need to subscribe, like, share the video, and make sure you click that notification button to never miss another upload. If you're an existing subscriber, welcome back. You guys know that I love to comment with you, so make sure that you do comment down below, as well as follow me on all my social media if you have not already to never miss another upload. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.